Everybody has been spammed before. It is the bane of a lot of people's existence. And oh, would it be good to get back at some of those spammers? Really annoying people that just spam stupid stuff in groups that are trying to promote whatever. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn that spam into cash. But before I do that, I'm going to need you to go ahead and hit that little button, that little subscribe button right over there. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And while you're at it, go ahead and kick that bell notification so that way you get every single video when I release them. Then I'm going to need you to head over to the mastermind group. This is the Wealth Attitude Mastermind group. This is one of the highest, bestest, most amazing resources that you could possibly get your little hands on. In this group, we do tons of case studies. I get your feedback on what kind of videos that you guys would like to see. You get the first crack at my videos. I also do live, in-depth things just with you, just talking with you. And also we do case studies just like here with this Twitter Reddit method where we go in depth, right? So we're going to move on, and I'm going to show you how you can turn spam to cash. So we're going to head over to any of your basic Make Money Online group, anywhere that they're really going to promote stuff, right? So in this group, they basically just spam the crap out of it with their affiliate products, their affiliate links, they're promoting. They don't give a crap, right? So here's what you do. You're going to turn the tide, right? You're going to create a post. And it's going to be something like this, right? We're going to use tons of little emojis. I'll just let you see here. So we're going to click this background. We're going to make it bigger. And when you make this background right here, it changes the font and everything. I really highly suggest this. But it says, it's Monday Love. Drop your link below. Inbox me as well. And they're going to take the bait. They are going to take the bait. Basically, what this is doing is you're inviting them to spam this post, right? You want them to comment. You want them to promote whatever because it's going to inflate the comment. It's going to trigger the algorithm. It's a little tactic to get this to stay at the top. And you basically want them to inbox you because I'm going to exit out of this because I'm not going to send this right now. You want them to inbox you because basically what you're going to say is, hey, Kimberly Moore. Sorry, Kimberly, if you're watching, I'm using you as an example. Hey, Kimberly Moore, thanks for the invite on the blah, blah, blah that you were promoting. But right now my hands are just tied. I'm really, really full. I just started this brand new Facebook group, and it is a Make Money Online group. And maybe somebody in that group might want to promote your product. Why don't you head over to, and then you send your Facebook group link to them, right? What that's going to do is they're going to be like, oh, okay, I didn't get this guy, but I have another group that I can just spam the shit out of, right? So they're going to head over to your group, and this is the trick. This is how you can turn the tide on them, right? So when you head over to, this is my back little office here for Wealth Attitude, right? These are like the settings. You get an opportunity to ask questions, right? So, and this one right here, one of the things that I do is anybody coming into my mastermind group, they really need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. They're kind of like kissing cousins, one from the other, right? I also want to know what country you're from, right? For a variety of reasons. For one, I want to know what kind of content to cater to. Number two, I can't have a Facebook group comprised of, say, all third world country-esque kind of things, because I am a promoter, right? And it wouldn't be good for me to have an audience of underdeveloped economically countries to be able to promote to, because unfortunately they just don't have the funds to be able to buy the kind of products that I would promote. It's not a good fit for them. It's not a good fit for me. I do allow a good percentage of people in, regardless of their country, especially people that really want to learn, but that's not going to be forever, right? So then the next thing that I say is, have you read the group description? Do you understand the rules? No selling in my group, right? So what you would do in this spam group or whatever is you're going to link them to whatever you want, right? So maybe you have a YouTube channel. You want them to go see it or whatever, right? you're going to want to know what country they're from, right? And then I have other groups where I only take first world countries. I only take United States, England, Australia, Philippines, Germany, France, those kind of developed countries, right? Switzerland. I only take those developed countries. The next thing that you can do is you can sell, when you're not selling, you can promote a CPA offer, right? So you can go over to, let's see, Max Bounty. And don't get freaked out by Max Bounty. It's just the one that I have. You can use OG ads. I think that they still accept everybody 100% free. It doesn't right off the rippity. So don't get all butthurt about Max Bounty. Um, it's just the one that I have right now. You could also do Peerfly. Um, you could do a completely different thing, but these are just like free signups, right? So basically, you're going to come over to, let's see, search a campaign, and you're just looking for something for a free sign up that allows incentive, right? So you would search through here, and you'd find most likely you would probably want a US offer or a worldwide offer. Um, you can also do sweepstakes as well. So you could do all categories, go down to like maybe, let's see here, sweepstakes, and search. And these are your like sign up for a Walmart gift card, sign up for this, sign up for that. So here's a good one. Just click to win for life. It's a $2 payout. And basically what you're going to do is when you ask the questions here, so the first question is going to be like, what country are you from, right? If they don't answer one of the developed countries, you just don't allow them into the group. The second question is, because of the free promotion that I allow, we ask that you fill out this CPA offer located here. And then you're going to just send them to the CPA offer. And the third question, you're going to say, before we can actually allow you to become a member, we need you to screenshot a copy of the completed offer, right? So, mind you, you're not going to get a ton of people that are actually going to do this. But the allure is that they can, once they do this, they're able to span the group as much as they want, right? It doesn't occur to them that you're filtering out the group. It just doesn't. I don't know why, but you're able to filter out the group for developed countries. They're paying you through a CPA offer to spam in a group. And then we're going to take this a step further, right? So we have all of that, right? What you can do after that is you're going to have a whole group of people in your Facebook group here. And as you can see here, I have announcements. It's a pinned post. This is where I'm just basically saying, hey, make sure that you subscribe. Make sure you check out the descriptions. But you can actually sell this right here. So once your group gets to, 20,000, 30,000, you can start charging for this space right here. And you could charge $20 a week, $100 a week. It just depends on how big your group is, right? So what I would do is I would probably charge for every 10,000, I would charge $10. So that's a good rough estimate, or whatever the market dictates, right? So you might only get 50 bucks a week for 100,000. It just depends. So whatever you can get away with, keep rising it. Whoever's going to pay for it is going to pay for it, right? So that's another way that you can actually profit from this. So let's say that you're making 50 bucks a week just from this, and then whatever you get coming in from the CPA offers, which should be pretty substantial, because you're going to have, you're not going to have a ton of people that are going to want to do it at first, but you will have a ton of people that will do it overall. So especially, you might not even want to do that at first, so you can get enough people into the group so people can see it. And then after you have like your first initial 10,000, then switch over to a CPA offer. And that's probably more how I would do it. Once they get to around 10,000, once you get your group up to about 10,000, then you switch over and start, making them ask for CPA offers. And I bet you that you would probably make a good, I don't know, $20, $30 a day just in CPA offers, probably more, um, just on that alone. And if they don't fill out the offer or whatever, you can just go ahead and allow them to come in anyways. So it doesn't really necessarily matter. Again, you could sell there. So I see this method. You could probably make somewhere around $200 to $500 a month. But what's stopping you with one group? So why wouldn't you have 5 groups or 10 groups? If you had the ability to create this over and over again, why would you not? So I would then just start over, and now you have this massive group to promote to. So then you promote to the next group, right? It just seems logical. You just build up another group and do the same thing over and over and over again. People love to join a new group. They think of it as a new opportunity, and you can stop promoting and earn online. You could just promote in your own group and have them join the next group and do the same process over again. Let the first 10,000 in, and the next whatever, they're going to have to pay the CPA penalty for not getting in the first whatever, right? You just filter it over and over again. So I hope you really like this method. Make sure that you subscribe. Make sure you join the Facebook group, and I will see you guys in the next video.